In this video, we are going to install a wireless backup camera provided by AutoVox for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Here is your wireless rear camera, which records at 720p with a viewing angle of 115 degrees. You can rotate the camera up or down by 30 degrees. It has a nice sturdy metal mounting plate with a power button on one side. You have the indicator light next to the camera. And on the other side, you have a waterproof cap in which you can use the included USB charging cable to charge the camera. The charging cable is 4 feet long. The camera is IP68 waterproof with an internal battery of 3,350 milliamps. It has a charging time of about 4 to 5 hours. Has a 5-inch monitor which supports up to 2 wireless inputs. You have your antenna, which uses 2.4 gigahertz, which can reach up to 33 feet without interference or delays. You have great ventilation all around. And on one side, you have your up button, your menu button, and your down button. On the rear, we have your cable, which plugs into your 11.5 feet car charger. These 4 slots here is where you mount your suction cup mount bracket. Includes a double-sided adhesive, a locking screw and a wrench, a warranty card, and your user manual. And here we have your optional solar panel. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. So in this vehicle, since I have another camera up here, I'm going to go ahead and install it on the bottom portion. I'm going to go ahead and slide this bracket underneath the license plate. And then we can go ahead and screw the plate into place. Next, we're going to go ahead and install this optional solar panel, specifically made for this camera. You want to unplug the cap, take the cap from the panel, and go ahead and push it into place. Make sure it's nice and snug so that water doesn't seep in. Go ahead and hide the rest of the wires behind the camera and just push it into place. You can unscrew the screw up here and then screw it down to lock into place. First, I'm going to go ahead and place the mount on the dashboard, push it in, and then lock it into place. Then I'm going to go ahead and mount our monitor. Then go ahead and plug our power. Then I'm going to go ahead and remove the protective covering. Now we're going to go ahead and start the vehicle. And it automatically is paired with the monitor. On your side buttons, we're going to go through your menu. You can hit pair just in case it gets unlinked. Right now, camera 1 is linked. You can go to camera 2 and pair a second camera. You have your brightness and contrast controls. You can mirror the orientation, or you can flip it upside down. You can change your reverse time to 45 seconds, 60 seconds, or 90 seconds. You have your guidelines. You can turn that on or off. You can adjust your guidelines by holding the menu button for a few seconds. It'll start flashing, and now you can use the arrows to adjust to 6 different settings. And you can reset everything to default. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.